Hello guys, this is Snehal Shankar Ekhande. Welcomes you all in my doubt solving session. Today we are going to solve the problems related to reasoning. Okay, so let's start. The problem is J, P, Q, R, S, T, U and V are four married couples sitting in a circle facing the center. The profession of the males within the group are lecturer, doctor, lawyer and scientist. Among the male, only now let's start the conditions. Okay, so first condition is among the males only R the lawyer and V the scientist are sitting together. Okay, second is each man is seated besides his wife. Third condition, U the wife of a lecturer is seated second to the right of the V. Okay, fourth condition, T is seated between U and V. Fifth condition, P is the wife of a doctor. Okay. Sixth condition, Q is a male but not the doctor. And seventh condition is S is the male. Okay. So here we have seven conditions in the problem. So let's start. What the problem says it. There are 8 persons. There are 8 persons which are 4 couples. Okay. 4 couples means 4 males and 4 females. Okay. And there is a profession of the males given, which is doctor, lawyer, scientist and lecturer. Okay. So let's start with the condition. Our first condition is what it says, that R is a lawyer and V is a scientist, are the males. Okay, so R and V are the males and they are sitting next to each other. Only pair of males which is sitting next to each other means RV or VR. Okay, so here one thing we have to remind in the mind is we are using circle for the female. To denote a female, we are using a circle around the letter, and to denote a male, we are using square around the letter. Okay. Our second condition is what it says, that U, which is a female, because she is a wife of a lecturer. The wife of a lecturer, which is a female, wife of a lecturer, is sitting to the right to the V. So here we are writing V and to the right U. Okay. Our third condition is P is a wife of a doctor. Okay. P is a wife of a doctor. Again I want to notify something. For a married couple, we use a symbol cross. Means one female, one male, and between them cross, which means the female and the male is the married couple. So P is married to the doctor. Okay. Fourth condition is what it says, that Q is a male. Okay. Q is a male but not doctor. What it says, that Q is not a doctor. Okay. Our fifth condition, what it says, that fifth condition says that S is a male. Okay. So I think our conditions are over here. So let's start with the problems. Okay. In order to solve the problem, we have to draw a circle. Here I am going to draw only one circle only, because I think it is sufficient to solve our answers. 8 persons are there which are facing the circle. Okay. So one circle and 8 positions for 8 persons. When people are facing a circle, like suppose if this person is facing a circle, which means he is seeing at the direction. So we can say that the people sitting on this side, on the right hand side, this is his right hand side and this one is left hand side. And for this side of a circle, this one is right hand side and this one is left hand side. Okay. So let's start. First we will use V. V is right hand side, this one. To the right of us V, U is sitting, okay, on second place. So this is one first place and this is in second place. So here our is U, okay. So U is here we are going goal circle, means round circle, means our second condition is fulfilled, okay. Now our first condition, V is related to another conditions is R, V and V R. So V, the opposite, we can use R here or we can use R here, okay. So sorry, one condition I have skipped while writing accidentally, and that one is T is sitting between V and U, means this one is the condition I skip, okay. So so V and U, in between we have to write T, okay. So this one is cancelled, completed. So R and V, this one, okay. So we will use this condition and R and V, which are neighbors and which are both are males. So R and V, we have put it together, okay. So this one is also completed, okay. So now we have one more conditions, that each male is sitting next to his wife, okay. So here V is sitting next to R, who is also male. So T must be the wife of a V, okay. So we are using a relation here. So U's husband will be sitting here, wife of O. So R's husband will be sitting here, okay. And the couple, last couple is here, okay. I am putting the place is back, okay. Our one conditions says that only R and V, who are male, are sitting next to each other, means no two other male are sitting next to each other. So here there is no chance that the position here belongs to male, okay. So this position must be of female and her husband will be this one, okay. So let's further solve this. Q is not a doctor. U's husband, this is lecturer. So her husband not doctor. So doctor must be here, okay. And condition says that Q is not a doctor, okay. So doctor must be S, because he is a male, only last male remaining apart from Q. Q is a doctor. S will be here, doctor. So Q must be a lecturer, okay. So we know that doctor's wife is P. So we will write P here, okay. Apart from this, I don't think any other remaining. So only the letter remaining is, last letter remaining is J. So we will use it here. So with all the conditions given in the problems, we have finally calculated or draw our answers, which will be like this, okay. From this we can understand, understand that R is a lawyer and V is a scientist, okay. So from this, S is a man who is married to P. J is a female whose husband is R. V is a man who is married to T, and U is a female who is married to Q, okay. And S is a doctor, R is a lawyer, V is a scientist, and Q is a lecturer, okay. From using this info and this table, we can solve the problems, okay. The problems on this question is, the first one, which of the following is P's position with respect to S, okay. P's position is respect to S. When we see from the perspective of the S, P is sitting to the immediate left of S. Okay, so P is sitting to the immediate left of S. Okay, the second question, which of the following is J's position? Which of the following is J's position with respect to T? So we have J here and we have T here. We can calculate that from here to here, first, second and third. Okay, we can say that J is sitting on the third position to the left of T, or if we go on the from the right side, then first, second, third, fourth, fifth position from the right side of the T. Okay, next one, T is a wife of. T is a wife of. Here we have seen that T is a wife of V. Okay, the last one, the wives of which two husbands are immediate neighbors? The wives of which two husbands are immediate neighbors? Now, which two females are immediate neighbors? U and T. Okay, so whose wife they are? V and Q. So we can say that the wife of V and Q are the immediate neighbors. So I hope that this problem you have understood it well, and you will practice it. Okay, so thanks for visiting. Thank you.